What's poppin', dogs? Mr. Allen here with some solving of systems of inequalities by graphing, all right? It starts the same way as solving an equation by graphing. We just need to graph these lines. But you're either going to use a solid or a dashed line. This first one, because it's equal to, has a solid line. When it's not equal to, it's a dashed line. All right, let's get started. So here we got a y-intercept of 4. So I'm going to go up 1, 2, 3, 4. Plot a point. I've got a -2 for slope. So I'm going to go down 2 over 1. Down 2 over 1. I'm going to do that a few times. Then I'll bust out my straight edge here, a relic from the Allen family. It was my ruler, I think, in probably 4th grade, and I'm still using it, man. Still going strong, all right? Now, we said solid line on this one because it's equal to. Excellent. Pop some arrows. And now the additional part is shading, all right? So it says y is less than or equal to. There's two ways of really going about this. Some people like to pick a test point, plug it in, and see if it works, meaning is it a true statement? Me, personally, here's what I do. I go to my y-intercept. Since y is less than or equal to, I'm going to be below it. I'm going to shade on this side. Now, so things don't get too messy, I'm just going to shade. I'm going to show some arrows. Like we're shading on this side of the line here. Otherwise, it's going to get a whole lot of markers all over the place. We'll shade our final solution, though, okay? Where they overlap is our final solution. Next part. We're going to go with the, actually, I'll stay with pink here. We got a y-intercept of -1, so down here at -1. And then I am going to be going up 1 over 1, 2, 3, 4. I'll run off over here, so I'll go down 1 to the left, 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, let's connect those dots. This time, though, a dashed line is what we're going to use here because it's strictly greater than, okay? So it's just going to be a dashed line popping through. Cool and lovely. Okay. Now, once again, my preferred method here is I look at my y-intercept. It doesn't have to be that, but I always go with the y-intercept. And we're greater than, so above it. Cool? All right. So I'm going to shade above, which means for our final solution, which I'll do in a different color here because that's fun, right? I'll use orange on this. Notice that the arrows are all converging in this area here. If I had shaded, this would be shaded, and then this would be shaded. So this would be double shaded here. This is my final answer. My solution here is that shaded region. We don't really write an answer of an ordered pair because there's really an infinite number of ordered pairs that are going to work here. It's this region, okay? We could, however, ask if a point is a solution, right? We could have said, oh, is the point 3, 5 a solution to the system of inequalities? If I looked at 3, 5, 1, 2, 3, 3, and then up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Well, no, it's not a solution to the system. It works in this second one here because it's above that dash line, but it doesn't work in that first one because it's not below that solid line. Cool? It's got to work for both if it's going to be an answer. Okay. I'll do some of those in another video. This one here. Let's go here. I'm going to go with, how about blue for this one? Okay. So we'll start up at, or down rather, at -5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then we're going up 3. 1, 2, 3 over 1. 1, 2, 3 over 1. 1, 2, 3 over 1. All right, good enough there. And it's going to be, a dashed line again this time here. It's just y is greater than, not equal to. So we'll do a dashed. Let's get after it. Beautiful. Boom, boom. All right. Boom. Lovely. Now, for this one, since it's greater than, so I'm going to be shading above the line. And again, if you want to use like a point as reference, I'm just going to go above. So I know that I'm on this side of the line. I'm above that line. It can be kind of hard to tell sometimes when they get pretty steep. People struggle with above or below when it's like almost vertical. But still picking a point greater than, I would go above. So I'm on this side of this dashed line. All right, next one. We're starting up at +1. And we got to go, let's see here, up 1 over 2. Up 1 over 2. I'll go down 1 over 2. Down 1 over 2. Dash line once again because it's not equal to. Whoop. Should use the ruler. There we go. There we go. All right, it's a little better. Both dash, and this one is less than. So if I look at my y-intercept or any point, I just go below it. So I'm on this side. All right, so where are we going to be double shaded? That is, again, my solution. Well, we can see that the arrows are pointing towards each other here. So I'd be shading on this side, and I'd be shading on this side. My overlap is right in here. Whee! It's like coloring. Don't color outside the lines, though, okay? Don't color outside the lines. All right, lovely. There we go. Systems of inequalities graphing. Excellent. Fantastic. Wonderful. Hope you guys enjoyed it. I certainly enjoyed it. Have a wonderful, fantastic, and awesome day. See you later.